Namaste all. This is Vishnu Reddy from PANI Deals. Oh, welcome back. So, how are you doing? Hope you are doing well. And yeah, so this another live from PANI Deals community. We are bringing another founder from another great startup. Okay, so yeah, this is it. Welcome back. We will the founder will be joining soon, very soon. And today also we will have live walkthrough of the product. We will have Q&A, question and answer with founder, and the other routine stuff like if you have any questions, otherwise feedback, that stuff. So please join us and please share your feedback and keep asking your questions. Yeah, Chaitanya. Namaste, Chaitanya. Very good evening. Okay, so yeah, these are Facebook community that is displayed on screen. That is ab.com/groups slash pani.deals, and we have also community on YouTube as well, and also on the other like LinkedIn, and we have Facebook page as well. Yeah, we have our own independent community as well outside of social media platforms, but that is not much active as of now. Okay, please join us. Please join our community and be uh, active and participate in the software discussions, automations, and lot of other stuff. We don't just do LTD promotion. We also discuss about automations, uh, the business software, obviously, and some strategies like how to improve your business, mostly through automation. Actually, so we are very much focused on automation. So, and personally, actually, I've been very much busy with automations for other clients and other startups as well. So, we have our own AI and automation focused digital marketing agency, that is Vijay Tech Labs, where we are serving a lot of clients. So, like coaches, trainers, business owners, e-commerce owners, and yeah, the other clients are like from yeah, real estate as well, and education and healthcare industries. So primarily all these industries. So we can also have those question and answer, and regarding especially regarding automation. So I have been planning for that, but that kept delaying. We'll plan it out soon. So we will have a call every week. Yeah. Hello, Joginder. Namaste, Joginder. And meanwhile, so have you guys checked what is GoZen and what is GoZen Notify? How many of you checked this? Hello, hi, namaste. Okay. Yeah. Have you guys checked GoZen Notify? Please comment. And yes, so what is GoZen Notify? Okay, let's get through this. Yeah, we have still time, 5 minutes more for the scheduled time. Okay, so okay, let me go through the screen as well. I will share and we'll can see the deal thing. Mm. Okay, yeah, there is a deal going on Rocket Hub, actually brought by Rocket Hub for us. That is GoZen Notify. Actually, GoZen is a company. They have multiple products. Okay, you can check the other products in other platforms as well. So this product is like GoZen Notify. This is more of notifications regarding the notifications. So that is like a web and a mobile push notifications. There are a lot more notification software came up, and these one recently, and you can have full automation through this, and it supports multiple channels like browsers and like content management platforms like Shopify, WordPress, Wix. Okay, like this, and it has you can schedule campaigns, and you can have advanced analytics, work on the custom workflows as well. I think the founder came up. Yes. Okay. Okay. So let's join there. Hello. Namaste, Vidya.
Um, Hello,
How
namaste.
are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you so much for joining us today. So, yeah, welcome to Pani Deals community. Uh, I think you been busy with multiple campaigns and multiple products, right?
Yes, yes.
So,
Yeah, we've got multiple products.
yeah. So anyway, congratulations on the products and campaigns as well. Hope they are
Yeah.
going very well. Okay. So, just to start with, kindly introduce yourself about your journey and about the company and team and progress so far.
Yes. So I'm working as a product manager in GoZen. So I've been in GoZen for the past 2 years. And about GoZen, it is a bootstrapped startup, and we have currently launched around 6 software products, which is in SaaS. And we are currently building an organic marketing suite. For example, from lead collection to lead nurturing and content creation. So we have around 5 tools. From for content creation, we have gozencontent.ai. For email marketing, we have Gozen Growth, and for push notifications, we have Gozen Notify, and for collecting leads, we have from pop-ups, we have Optinly, and for collecting leads in a gamification way, we have Gozen Engage. So this is the suite of products we are building as for an organic marketing suite.
Yeah, that's great. So, when it started actually, so like you are from the starting with the GoGen, or you started journey with them recently?
So Gozen is my first company. So my whole career is with Gozen. Like I'm straight from college and I joined this company.
Okay, yeah, that's great. So, where is the office? Like company is located, headquarters, main office.
Yes. So all the development happens in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, and the headquarters is in New Jersey, USA.
Okay, that's great. So, how big is your team?
So a team is consist of 50 members,
Okay,
so both in
okay,
US and India. So it consists of 50 members.
yeah, that's great. So, I think it's a big team and a lot of products.
Yes.
Okay, I think so. Usually, we will have some basic introduction just like this, and then we'll have uh, a demo, brief demo of the like kind of a product tour of the dashboard, those that stuff,
Okay.
and then we will take questions from the community regarding the
Okay.
product, those things, or maybe
Okay.
daily as well. So yeah, can you please start with the demo?
Yes. Sure. I'll share my screen.
Yeah, please.
So is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay, so when you first log in to GoZen Notify, you will be on your dashboard. On the dashboard is where the total active subscribers, the notifications sent, and the total number of notification delivered, the total number of notifications which is open, and the total number of unsubscribed people from the notification. You can see all that on your dashboard. So first thing you need to do is connect your website. So you need to enter the name of the website and your URL, and you click on connect. So you need to copy this code in the main HTML page, and then you need to download the service worker file, and you need to unzip the file and upload it on your same root folder. So this is where you connect. So you connect your website with Goes Notify. So after you have connected your website, you will be on the bell and prompt screen. So there is three options from permission prompt, bell icon, and block override. So on the permission prompt, this permission prompt is where you're asking consent to the users if they want to receive push notifications. So you can start customizing the text message, the buttons, and how it will appear on the device. For example, mobile view, the desktop view, and the location, and to show after how many, show after how many like minutes or hours, or after how which page view for the user to receive this notification, and the color and everything. You can do all the formatting here. And after you have saved is you go to this bell icon. So first, when they have received the notification, then we have to start create a campaign, and we should start sending them notification. So when we are sending notification, suppose for specific, so if it is an e-commerce website about clothing, and if they want to receive notification about multiple categories and not a specific category, they can set up configuration. For example, yeah, I'll show you. So you can add tags. So for example, if it is the clothing, you can select, you can add tags, and here they can click on which category they want to receive notification from. And on the push inbox, you can see the all the previously sent notification in this inbox, so that the users can access it easily from here. This will be on your website like a small widget. So the next is the block override. Sometimes when the user has set up like permission for us to send notification, and if they have by mistakenly blocked it in their settings, there is a small widget to tell them that to how to click and unblock the notification. There will be on-screen instructions on how to unblock the notifications. So this is about bell and prompt. And on the campaigns, when you click on create campaign, this is where you create your campaign. So here on this side, you can see on how the campaign will appear in all the windows. And you need to enter the title and the text of the notification and the destination URL. So this destination URL, you can also do the autofill, for example. So I'm choosing this URL and I paste it here, and then I click on autofill. You can see that from this URL, the title and the text has been automatically filled. So
Your
if you
voice is low.
okay, can you hear me now?
No, it is good.
Yes. So when you like paste this URL here and you click on autofill, the title and the text will be autofilled. And when you click on the generate using AI button, you can see that the different versions of this text has been generated. You can click here. You can choose the title that is the best for you, and you can also change this image and the campaign. You can name a campaign category and the time to live. That is the number of time you need to wait for the notifications to be sent, because when the user's system is switched off or it is not on, so you can set up the time to live period and the distribute delivery. So for example, if a website has like a number of visitors, like more number of visitors, so if we are sending all the subscribers notification at the same time, so when the users are coming to the website, it might slow down the website. So for that, we are using distribute delivery. So this is it will distribute the notification delivery to a certain amount of people at a different batch of time. So the next is rich notification. So here you can add buttons for the redirect URL and you can mention the URLs. You can add second button. And the next important feature is the targeting. So here, only if you have subscribers in your account, you can use this, because this tool is mainly based on subscriber. Only if you have subscribers, you can send notification to them. So you can filter it based on the browsers, countries, cities, the time zone, the OS, and the language. And you can also, based on tags, you can filter it and send the campaign. And you can also send to specific segments. You can click on create segments. Since there is no subscribers exist here, you can't create a segment, but you can create segment on browsers, time zone, countries, and target only those specific users. And next is the automation. When you click on create automation flows, we have already predefined flows from welcome notification, that is to welcome new users who have subscribed, and the tag change, for example, to upgrade free trial users to paid trial users, and drip campaigns, and to return inactive users who has lost contact and you want to return inactive users. And you can click on get started. Starting with welcome notification. So this is where on new notification, you send out a notification on set. So you can send notification or you can add time delay. Click on send notification and you need to choose the create previously. And you can also set up time delays, and you can send, that is you can wait for how many days duration and exclude what all days. And when you click on publish, the campaign will be published. So on the settings, we have all the basic settings, and on the teams, you can add your team members by entering the email, and you can send an invite. And when they've accepted it, they will be added to this account. And on the documentation, we have clearly explained all how from the installation and how to use and all the automation and everything. So this is the main overview of this tool. Yes.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Vidya, for showing us the demo. So now actually I have few questions regarding the GoZen Notify. So I have other software where I'm using that for push notifications. So obviously, yeah, and, look and feel like UI UX is very good. It's simple and it's easy for anybody to get started with it. And you also shown that very beautifully, like from where to get started and how it goes further. Okay, so I have few questions like, does it have API? Like if I would like to automate this from third party, like if I
So,
would like to send notification from third party, is there any API?
so currently we are not providing any API. So in
Okay.
future we have plans on the roadmap to provide API.
Sure. So you are almost supporting all the major browsers, right? For
Yes,
push notifications, and you
yes.
mentioned mobile notifications. So what is it?
So the mobile notification is it is the browser notification on mobile. It works only on Android devices and not iOS.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. So I said because there is some restriction on, especially in iOS, Apple devices. Mostly those works, and Android only allows browser notifications. Okay. And I think there were some workarounds, but not sure how they work exactly, like a PWS and browser shortcut as a app in iOS as well, but I'm not sure how exactly they work. And you mentioned integration with WordPress, Shopify, Wix. So how does that work?
Yes, so it is as simple. You can just like you have to embed the code and install the service worker file, and it will be connected with WordPress and Shopify. We are actually building now, and we're waiting for approval.
So you're going to build a plugin, Shopify plugin.
Yes, Shopify and WooCommerce.
Okay. Okay. So what about the other platforms, like where we cannot insert the code, we cannot upload the file actually?
So for custom websites, you can upload it on your root domain. For other platforms, like we have it lined up on the roadmap. For now, we are starting with the e-commerce platform, and slowly we are moving to the CMS platforms like Square, Wix, and all the website building platforms and everything. So we have it all planned up. So for now, it is WooCommerce and Shopify and WordPress.
Okay. So in that also actually it supports self-hosted applications where we have access to root server.
Yes, yeah, we are
Okay.
actually building a plugin for that.
Okay, that's great. Okay. So how many users you have got for GoGen Notify?
The GoZen Notify, we have around for it. We have just launched. We have around like 100 customers. So overall, all our tools together, we have 50,000 plus. So GoZen Notify is just launched, so we have around 100 customers. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. That's great. Actually, yeah, we have been following up the other GoGen products as well. So yeah, that's a great journey so far. Congratulations on that. And
Thank you.
uh, okay, once again, so we have other. Let me show those questions on the screen. We can take the questions. Okay. Yeah. How many employees are dedicated to Notify?
So GoZen Notify consists of 3 engineers and 2 support engineers and 1 product manager and 2 designers.
Okay. And yeah, good looking UI. That is a compliment.
Thank you.
And this is another question. Like, how do you plan to differentiate your push notification service from existing solutions in the market?
Yes, for now we have built in competition with the existing solutions. So I will share like a feature page, whereas how on pricing and everything, how we are differentiating from other competitors. So we are providing the most affordable in the market and with a better UI UX, and we are also offering for unlimited like website views.
Okay. So now actually, usually the push notifications are onto multiple channels. So and also actually you have already other products related to the other channels like email.
Yeah.
So is there any way like you are going to collaborate those products, like see whenever you want to send right now I'm as a digital marketer, I use multiple channels to send out the notifications. So we use email. So a email marketing tool, something like yeah, GoZen growth. Okay. And then WhatsApp. So we broadcast that, SMS, and then Facebook, those pages, social media channels as well. And also the other notifications like in-app notifications and the browser notifications, some desktop notifications, all this stuff is there. So as of now you got started with the browser notifications, right?
Yes.
So is there any plan or roadmap for the other channels?
Yes, we have planned for mobile notifications the next, and we are actually selling it as, apart from this thingy, we are actually selling it as a bundle. So this is the bundle. It'll include all our products in one price. So you can have multi-channel engagement using the bundle.
Okay, okay, that's great. So okay, we have another question. Which GoGen app that has bigger cut of users?
So that would be Optionly and Goes in Forms.
Okay,
So
yeah,
Optionly is a website pop-up tool. So that collects leads, and Goes in Forms is collect like surveys and quizzes. From that we collect leads.
okay, okay. So okay, I think this is it from my side. I have been using the other service in a similar way. And do you have any like tips? Otherwise, any other suggestions on how to use the push notifications effectively and why it is so
Yes.
important?
So
Yeah.
so push notifications is important because whenever, so if the user is not on currently on the website, and if they are in some other browser or other thing, they are discovering something else. So it is the best way for them to bring back the customers back to the website. So what I would like to suggest is to have clear messaging on your products and what value you're offering. So so that they return to the web. So whenever they read it, they should be able to come to the website. So it should be like a best offering that you can give, or the best education content that you can give. Yes.
Yeah, it's kind of, it can be used for alerts, news, updates.
Yes.
Uh, yeah, even for sale as well. Actually, yeah, we have been using for a customer for a sale notification. So whenever some items are in stock in the back in the stock,
Yes.
so we are notifying that. So that way, actually, because those are like hot selling cakes, so we send notifications through multiple channels. So we are also sending a notification through that browser as well. So whenever the those particular items which are out of stock, they came, actually they can be grabbed as soon as possible. So that is one use case we have been using. And does gozen notify supports rss feed as well?
So RSS feed is not yet implemented, but it will be implemented in 2 weeks. So our developers are working on it, so it will be implemented soon.
Okay, that's great. So uh, you mentioned like utm tracking and for like maybe campaigns and all. So uh, how does that help?
Yes, so with that you can actually see from which source the users are coming into the website. So from that we can track, and based on that we can craft the notifications.
Yeah, okay. It's like we are setting up UTM parameters in a button in a link where we are pushing the notification, and from there
Yes,
we will see how it is going
yes,
overall in the campaign.
yes.
Okay, that's great. So, uh, yeah, as the same question actually. So, what is your USP as of now, and what will be the USP uh, in the future regarding Gojen
Yeah.
Notify?
So our USP is that we are providing the most affordable solution for push notifications with the best, easy to use. You can just click on in 3 steps, you can create a notification. And we have also implemented AI generated content. You don't have to like type in manually and create content. So this is our USP for now, and for future, we're actually we're actually building plugins for different platforms, and we are also improving on automations, and we have planned to integrate it with more other tools. So this
Okay,
is
that
the plan for future.
okay. So in this one, one second. Actually, I was going through that as well. Yeah, if we can send this one bulk notification, uh, sorry, I mean this. Can I import the subscribers, like migrate from other service to this? Is there any
No,
chance?
for
Is there
now
any
you
way?
can't migrate the subscribers. Only whatever you have gotten with Goes to Notify, you can only send notification from that. Currently you don't have the option to import subscriber or migrate it from other tools.
Yeah, is that just in the GoZen Notify tool? Otherwise, is it same for all the push notification services?
No, actually, we are also so this is just launched, and we are actually keep on improving the tool. So importing subscribers is also on our pipeline. So for as for other tools, you can import. So we are actually building out the future.
Okay, that's great. Yeah, I had this question actually. So, yeah, from my side, this is it. So, when is the last date for the deal?
So okay, the
Is
last
there any
date,
end date?
I think
Yeah.
no, there is no date for the date. Yeah, for as far as I know, I think it will be around for the next 3 to 4 months. I'll just check with the team and let you guys know.
Sure, sure. Anyway, actually, yeah, my suggestion for anybody, especially in the market, is to get this service, like push notification service channels, like software like Gozen Notify. This been helping very much. Actually, we just set it up only once and we forget it. Actually, it keeps
Yes.
working 24/7 without even checking it, like how it is going, because we usually think we have to set up all this stuff and all, but we only set up once. And usually if we try to RSS feed once, otherwise a website, otherwise something, so it automatically picks up the latest information from the websites, and it automatically push through the audience. So I suggest this very much. The other services like email and other channels, actually we keep monitoring them, we keep updating them, we keep doing the stuff. But for push notifications, there is nothing much to do, just set it up and forget it. So I had another question regarding this one, time zones. So is there any way we can control the time zones? Otherwise, is there any way we can see what time is the best time to send the push notification, like kind of schedule? So one example is like what we do in social media management. Like we get the data from RSS feed or something else. Like even we can upload the notifications in bulk, okay, to send out them multiple notifications or something. And then the software will schedule according to the best times, like when the user is available, when they are clicking the notification, opening the notification, and when they are going to the page or something like that. So is there any way for that in Gojen Notify?
Yes, in Goes and Notify, we took a different approach. Is that you can segment the audience based on their time zone, and you can send the campaigns.
Okay. Is there any way for automatic like um, this one
Yes,
publishing?
yes. So that is where you bring in the automation. So in the automation, you can segment it based on the time zone and which date and when the time you want to send the campaigns. So that also you can set it up.
Yeah, that answers my one question. So one more is like, is there any way we can know the best time uh, for the push notifications?
Okay, so that I think we should do some research on it, and yeah, because
Yeah,
based on
uh,
each country and for that you can know it by from the dashboard also. So when if you send a series of notification at different times, and you can also check which is performing well. So based on that, you can figure out the best time to send your notifications. So with, you can experiment and you can find out from the dashboard.
exactly, exactly. No, I understand that. That's what for you also, for us also, the data need to be there. We have to do some
Yes.
lot of testings like trials and all. So we have to see where it works best and when. So we have to do that. And at the same time, what I'm asking is like, will you be able to implement that in automation something like that? So in the further, I just upload the notifications, and you will see for my channel, otherwise for location, whatever I have selected, you will suggest like this is the best time, and you will automatically schedule that rather than doing that myself. The software.
Okay, so yes, for
Yeah.
now we don't have this feature yet. So this is based on the user, because if the user want to send to a different country, so that would be for a different time. So if it is in India, it would be for a different time. So we need to analyze which for which country is the best time to send notification, and based on that, we could provide suggestions on when to send the notifications. So we'll definitely add that to our roadmap, and we'll discuss with the team, and we'll work this feature out.
Sure, sure. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This is it from my side. So, do you have anything else to share with the community, like something you haven't announced?
Yes, you can, before purchasing, you can also sign up for a free trial, and you can go through the whole software and see what works out. So after that, you can make the decision.
Yeah, that's great to hear actually. So, yeah, without credit card, you can just go there and sign up, and you can
Yes.
try it yourself, and yeah, you can decide further. Okay, then, yeah, I think once again, maybe see, we'll have some other questions from the community. Somebody just say hi. Okay, yeah, we will see. Do you have any questions, community? Okay, so yeah, I think this is it from our side today. Thank you so much for joining us. So, what's say? There is 2 3 months time for the campaign, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, that's great. Then I think meanwhile we can test it out, and we can explore that as well. And anyway, there is even if they buy on Rocket Hub, we have refund period as well, so we
Yes.
can try it freely, and we can understand whether it works or not. Okay, thank you so much for joining us today. This is it from our side, and yeah, we are looking forward to meet you again for another product.
Yes.
Okay,
Thank you so much.
thank you,
Thank you so
Vidya.
much for
Yeah,
having me. Yeah, thank you.
yeah. Take care.
Okay.
See you.